Beach Day by Patricia, Lakin. Pictures by Nash. Beach Day by Patricia, Lakin. Pictures by Nash. Hot, said Sam. Sunny, said Pam. Sweaty, said Will. Swim, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Swimsuit, said Sam. Sun hat, said Pam. Sunblock, said Will. Sunglasses, said Jill. We are off, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Look, said Sam. A park, said Pam. With swings, said Will. And slides, said Jill. Let's play, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. To the beach, said Sam. Which way, said Pam. Left, said Will. Right, said Jill. Lost, sighed Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They paddled up, they paddled down, they paddled under, they paddled over. They looked for beach signs all around. They paddled in a field of glow. Picnic, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sandwich, said Sam. Pasta, said Pam. Pickle, said Will. Bob, said Jill. Nap time, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They slept past 1. They slept past 2. They slept past 3. They slept past 4. Let's go, said Sam. But where, said Pam. Over there, said Will. That hill, said Jill. Push, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Beach sign. Sand, said Sam. Water, said Pam. Wave, said Will. Gull, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. No umbrella, said Sam. No snack bar, said Pam. No chairs, said Will. No people, said Jill. No sun, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill looked up. Then Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill smiled. And they swam by the light of the moon.